Think social media marketing agencies are the future? Think again. They're quickly becoming relics of the past. The future lies in AI marketing agencies, powered by proprietary AI software that's revolutionizing the marketing landscape. It's time to start an AI marketing agency instead. Take our 7-day training with our proprietary AI software, and you'll be ready to hit the ground running. Imagine a week of immersive learning, where you'll dive headfirst into the world of AI marketing. You'll navigate algorithms, explore data-driven strategies, and decode AI lingo. This isn't your typical marketing course. We're breaking down barriers, shattering expectations, and making AI accessible to all. So whether you're a marketing maven or a curious newbie, we've got you covered. No marketing or AI experience, no problem. Our training is designed for everyone. Use the same methods Alex used for his successful businesses: Zoosk, Mentorbox, and Deal.ai. Let's delve into some success stories. Take Zoosk, for example, a leading dating platform propelled to success through smart, AI-driven strategies. Then there's Mentorbox, a platform offering curated knowledge, skyrocketing with the power of AI. And let's not forget Deal.ai, a pioneer in AI-powered business solutions. These stories are but a glimpse of the potential. By 2024, relying only on ChatGPT won't cut it. You need to be ahead of the curve, not lagging behind. That's why we've built our own proprietary AI software, and we're sharing it with a select few. Imagine being among the pioneers, the trailblazers who took the leap into the future of marketing. We've rolled out the red carpet for you, and all you need to do is step on it. But remember, opportunity is a bird that never perches. Our seats are filling up faster than you can say artificial intelligence. Plus, we've thrown in an enticing early bird pricing offer that's as fleeting as the morning dew. So don't wait until the last minute. Don't wait until the tide has turned. Make your move now. Click here and get ready to step into the future of marketing.